In this video, I'll show you how to record refunds in QuickBooks online. Firstly, you need to log into your QuickBooks online account. Click the plus new button on the top left or top right corner. Under Customers, select Refund Receipt. In the Customer drop-down menu, select the customer receiving the refund. You can enter now the refund info like date, from, method, and number. Under the Product or Service column, list any returned items, enter quantity, rate, service, date, and sales tax. Now, double-check all the refund details, then click Save and Close or Save and New if you want to enter another. And QuickBooks will now record this refund in your sales and accounting reports. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.